Hello, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solution. I'm thrilled to have you join us for another exciting installment of our video series, 25 Clever Smaller Studio Apartment Design Ideas. In this fourth episode, we are diving deep into the world of compact living. Whether you are a city dweller, a student, or simply someone who appreciates smart design, this video is tailor-made for you. Why should you watch this episode? Well, because here you can find space magic will unravel the secret of multifunctional furniture, those clever pieces that transform, adapt, and make your studio apartment feel like a spacious oasis. From daybeds that moonlight as cozy reading nooks to coffee tables with hidden storage compartments, we've got you covered. Zoning wiser dry, creating distinct zones within a studio apartment is an art form. Long and narrow layout, square-shaped space, angled walls. Fear not, we'll guide you through layout options and show you how to make every inch count. Symmetry, color, and textures play a pivotal role here. Storage hacks, clutter not on our watch. Discover ingenious storage solutions from underbed storage to floating shelves that keep your essential organized without compromising style. Vertical space, it's your new best friend. Personal touches. Let's infuse your studio apartment with personality. We'll explore meaningful decor, cherished mementos, and ways to make your petite abode feel like home sweet home. So grab your favorite beverage, cozy up, and hit that play button. Whether you are an inspiring minimalist or maximalist at heart, there is something here for everyone. Let's turn those small spaces into big dreams. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's create magic together. Welcome to this beautifully designed studio apartment. Overall, the apartment is a harmonious blend of contemporary design and oriental aesthetics. It's both functional and stylish, making it a comfortable and inviting space. The apartment has a light color scheme with white walls and light wooden flooring, which give it a spacious and airy feel. Let's see here a contemporary studio apartment that exudes a minimalist and modern aesthetic. Overall, the apartment showcases a perfect blend of functionality and style, making it a comfortable and chic living space. The apartment is well lit, with a large window on the left, allowing natural light to flood in. The floor is made of light wooden material, complementing the neutral color palette of the room. Let's step now into a contemporary studio apartment that is minimalist in design. Here are some key features. The apartment is well lit, with a large window allowing plenty of natural light to flood in. There is a modern kitchen with white cabinetry, a built-in oven, and a countertop extending along one wall. Near the window, there is a simple yet elegant dining table surrounded by brown chairs. Wooden flooring runs throughout the apartment, adding warmth to the modern aesthetic. Wall-mounted shelves hold various items, contributing to the organized look of the space. Here you can see another contemporary studio apartment that is well lit and beautifully decorated. The apartment is also with a large window allowing plenty of natural light to flow in. There is a green sofa adorned with a yellow pillow near the window, creating a cozy sitting area. A small white round table surrounded by two green chairs serves as a dining or working area. The kitchenette is compact and efficient, featuring a green cabinetry that matches the chairs and the sofa. To the right, there is a bed with striped bedding and green blankets that align with the overall color theme of the apartment. The floor is covered in laminate flooring, which complements both wooden and green elements in the room. And that brings us to the end of part 4 of our series 25 clever small studio apartment design ideas. We hope you found these ideas inspiring and helpful in making the most out of your small studio apartment. Remember, no space is too small to be stylish and functional. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for part 5 where we'll continue to explore more innovative and clever design solutions for small studio apartments. From all of us here at the Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out our next video. Until next time, keep designing, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep making your space truly yours. Goodbye and see you in the next one.